Feeling overwhelmed by scattered information and lost insights? Introducing Remio, your personalized AI assistant designed to simplify work and amplify focus. Hard to find something you have viewed? Remio makes info capture easy. With your permission, it automatically captures the web content you visit with key insights highlighted and annotated. Too much info need to organize? With knowledge blending, Remio will blend the idea into perfect spot and match your style. No copy-pasting, no formatting hassle. Keep your notes organized by sorting them into collections. Remio even suggests where your new ideas belong. And while you write, Remio brings up helpful references to keep your ideas flowing smoothly. Need to find something? Just search through notes, chats, files, or saved web pages in a flash. If you're stuck or need quick answers, just ask Remio. No writing inspiration? Write better and faster with Remio's Smart Write features, which can auto-complete your thoughts or continue write for you based on your writing habit. From messy info to clear insight. With Remio.
Sync your folders to Remio with just one click. Remio now supports all major file types, including PDFs, Word documents, and Excel spreadsheets. Ask questions across your files and get tailored answers with clear citations, so you always know where the information comes from. When you get a great answer, save it as a note in one tap and add it directly to your personal knowledge base, keeping insights from getting lost. Ever dream of a brain that never forgets? With Remio, your ideas and research don't disappear into endless tabs. As you browse, Remio automatically saves the web content you care about. No manual clicks, no extra steps. And when you don't want to collect something, you can easily turn it off for that page. Watching a long video? Remio can generate a structured overview and provide navigators so you can jump straight to the parts that matter, without scrubbing through the entire timeline. Prefer a simpler workflow? Just paste a link into Remio. It automatically creates an overview for articles, videos, podcasts, and more, turning hours of content into minutes of clarity. Remio also comes with a powerful recording feature. Whether you're in a meeting, sitting in a lecture, or capturing a quick brainstorming session, just hit record inside Remio and keep the conversation flowing. Remio captures everything for you so you can stay fully present. No frantic note-taking, no missed details. Afterward, you can quickly search what was said, revisit key moments, and pull out the exact information you need in seconds. And when it's time to align with your team, simply share a link with your colleagues so everyone stays on the same page. Visit remio.ai to explore the full features.